Ever grappled with the challenge of maintaining a sparkling clean toilet? It's a task that many dread, but with the right steps and tools, it can transform from a loathsome chore to a manageable part of a cleaning routine. Step 1. Equip yourself with the necessary cleaning tools. A sturdy toilet brush, a good quality toilet cleaner, a pair, let's say, of rubber gloves, and some disinfecting wipes are all essential in this endeavour. Step 2. Start the cleaning process by applying the toilet cleaner. Apply it under the rim of the toilet bowl, ensuring it covers all areas. The cleaner needs to sit for a while to fully work, so while waiting, move on to the next step. Step 3 involves cleaning the exterior of the toilet. Using disinfecting wipes, start from the top and work the way down. Wipe the tank, handle, lid, seat and base. Remember, germs lurk on every surface, not just the inside of the bowl. Returning to the bowl after the cleaner has had time to work marks. Step 4. Scrub well with the toilet brush, making sure to reach all areas, especially under the rim. Once scrubbed, flush the toilet to rinse the bowl. Step 5. Don't forget about the toilet brush itself. This tool can harbour germs if not properly cleaned. After using it, rinse it well under hot water, then allow it to dry thoroughly before storing it. And finally, Step 6. Maintain the cleanliness. Regularly repeat these steps, ideally once a week, to keep the toilet in pristine condition. In summary, keeping a toilet clean doesn't need to be a daunting task. Equipping oneself with the right tools, applying toilet cleaner, cleaning the exterior, scrubbing the bowl, cleaning the toilet brush, and maintaining regular cleaning are the 6 steps that can help anyone achieve a clean toilet. Remember, cleanliness isn't a state to achieve, it's a habit to cultivate. By incorporating these steps into a weekly routine, a clean toilet can be more than a fleeting reality. It can be a norm, a testament to a well-kept home, and a simple, satisfying achievement. So here's to making cleanliness a habit, to turning dreaded chores into manageable tasks, and to sparkling clean toilets. Because a clean home is a happy home, and that includes the bathroom.